हमारा नाम प्रकाश है।
Hanap Inoba Ha.
ही रिंकिया के पापा
Rinkian papa.
किम कर्तव्य विमूढ़
Kim kataban mir
Fille.
ला ये।
Oh, okay, yes.
शीशा चमकावे लू
8.
खाना खा कभी बात करते नहीं यार और केक खाते नहीं यार बहुत मजा होता।
I was asking why you began to
In Bhojpuri,
yeah.
my mother tongue is Bhojpuri. Okay, so this language has 15 crores speakers. 15, when I say 15 crores, it's like more than the population of France and like this.
Yeah.
So people used to speak Bhojpuri in 3 or 4 states in India, like UP, Bihar, Jharkhand. There are some countries outside India where there are a lot of Bhojpuri people.
Yeah.
So Fiji, Dutch Guyana, Suriname, Mauritius. Yeah. So I just wanted to start in Bhojpuri because it's my native language. First reason. Second reason is a lot of people are doing good travel blogging in Hindi, in English also. But in Bhojpuri there is no one, not a single person.
Okay.
And when you just say Bhojpuri, it's all about it's not like that, but nowadays it is like that. It's vulgar and sexual content and everything.
Yeah.
So you saw my channel when we were trying to open my channel. A lot of bad things, bad images were there. So I'm just trying to do something good for Bhojpuri also. Yeah. तो युवा में से पूछ लिया कि तुम भोजपुरी में चैनल कहाँ शुरू किया, हिंदी में और इंग्लिश में कहाँ शुरू किया, तो उन्हें आगे बताओ तो ही. So I will let you know some Bhojpuri words, okay? How we speak in Bhojpuri.
Yeah.
So when you say, what is your name? Okay? In Hindi, you say it like, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम क्या है?
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
Yeah.
In Bhojpuri, you say, तहार नाम का है? Just say it loudly.
तहार नाम क्या है?
You're doing it great, yeah.
Tahanam.
Kaha. When you ask the question, the person will reply like, my name is Prakash. So in Bhojpuri you will say like, हमारा नाम प्रकाश है.
Okay.
हमारा नाम प्रकाश है.
Hanap Inoba Ha.
Mahanam pun
Okay. So if you
What is
understand,
the A?
you
Is actually.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
if government spread just one language, the other will disappear. You
It's
understand? Yeah.
not possible in India. India is a diverse country. You cannot just impose one single language. It's not possible to just impose Hindi
But if
or
the new
English.
generation learn just this language in school, the problem
Yeah, I will
is
tell you honestly, it cannot happen in near future, but I don't know about the future. But if you ask me to, is it possible to
Yeah.
impose or maybe just imply one language? If there is going to be one language, maybe after 100 years, after 200 years, 1000 years, it would be English. No Hindi, nothing.
You think?
Yes.
Why?
Because English is the language which gives you job, which gives you employment, which gives you resources, which gives you everything. So according to my view, no language is big language is going to disappear in coming years in India. Every language will be there. See, the case is when you say a language will disappear, it's only because a lesser number of people are there to speak that language. So we have a very big amount of.
And you don't have languages in India that is just not a lot of people talk about this language. You understand? Or
Which language?
is there one that people?
No, we have in India so many languages that are disappeared.
Ah, okay. So
Yeah.
you
Because a lot lesser
still-
number of people used to
Yeah.
speak them.
Okay.
But that word, those languages are not very big one. There were only 100 or 200 or 300 people, or maybe
Okay.
1000 people,
Yeah.
like tribal languages.
Okay.
But if you talk about Bhojpuri, Tamil, Telugu, Bangla, they are not going to disappear in near future. At least I can't see that is
Okay.
going to happen. Yeah.
Yeah.
And Bhojpuri is very bigger market. It has got a very bigger market. Like
Yeah.
we have a lot of cinemas in Bhojpuri, a lot of songs, a lot of songs. Would you like to try one song?
Yeah.
Why not?
There is a popular song. It's like चट दिनी मार दे ले खींच के तमाचा ही हंस दे ले रिंकी आगे पापा.
What is it?
तो चट देने
Check the
मार दे ले
Mardere,
खींच के
Kitschke,
तमाचा
Tamacha.
ही
Hehehe.
when you laugh you like so it's just I mean sound of laughing so
Hehehe. Hehehe.
हंस दिले
Hasdile.
रिंकी आके पापा.
Rikiane Papa.
So many songs in Bhojpuri, but most of the songs are not good. But yeah, there are some good songs also. इनोवा कहत रही कि जैसे दिल्ली में जो होटल बाटे जकरा के हमने के कहनी जा ला मेरेडियन या ली मेरेडियन जो भी कहनी जा तो का नाम ना ला मेरेडियन है ना ली मेरेडियन है. ठीक बा. फ्रेंच में ओकरा कैसे कहल जाला ओकर उ हमरा के इनोवा बतिहन रुआ को सुनाओ तनी और हम ट्राई करब पसंद कहे खातिर.
Le méridien.
Le méridien, ok.
लू मेरेडियन
Le.
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 यू
Le.
Ça
Le.
va.
लो.
Tu vois, mais lui dit le.
Oui. Parce que nous on a
Le.
tendance. Parce que si on fait traîner le, ça fait à la fin, ça fait comme la fin du mot.
Mais ok.
Du coup,
Le.
Le.
लो.
Le.
It's because blue is another thing.
Can you say
Blue is a wolf. So when you say blue,
That's who.
you can't say you can't say it.
बोले कोशिश कर रही बुलाने की पावर.
Ok, try.
La
Ok.
fille.
La fille.
La
La fille.
la fille.
Yes, ok.
It's okay.
Yes.
La fille.
No, no.
Fille.
Fille.
No, because your tongue touch your the
Upper part.
yeah,
Yeah.
no. Fille.
I'm just trying to. I just might try. Fille. It's very
Say
difficult.
fille.
Yeah.
Fille.
It's girl. If you want
Fille.
to.
Fille.
No.
You.
You.
Fille.
Fille.
Ah,
Ok.
ça va. Hein? La fille.
La fille.
Oh, ok.
Ah,
Yes.
c'est pas mal
Nice.
seul.
So
Bravo,
now.
bravo.
Ok.
It's
La,
very difficult. Almost even French bola.
It's just a word.
la fille is Enora is
The girl.
fille. Girl.
The
Oh.
girl is la fille.
La fille. And garçon, boy,
Garçon.
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 Yeah,
Le
love this.
garçon.
Lou. Garçon.
Le,
You.
le
Lou.
Drive
garçon.
the tongue.
Garçon.
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 Yes.
Ça va, ça va, en vrai.
Gar.
Perhaps garçon is easier than
Easier, yeah, it's easier.
fille.
It's easier.
Fille?
Fille.
Ah, ça va, en vrai.
And you know in Bhojpuri how we say it for boy, it's laika.
Laika?
No.
It's easy.
It's very easy.
Laika. For
Yeah,
girl
Hindi,
or for boy?
Hindi,
For boy, you say.
for boy
Yeah,
laika.
laika.
And for girl, laiki.
Laiki.
Laika.
Laika, laiki.
Try.
Let's try.
So try. Saucisson.
What?
On va aller là aussi. We're going to love.
Okay. Which one?
Saucisson.
Son, si, son. It's very easy.
No, 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 no.
It's
Okay,
only right.
okay.
So.
So.
Sorry?
So.
So.
Si.
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 Son.
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 Saucisson.
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 Yes.
Yeah,
And
so easy.
it's.
Why you
I don't know how to describe.
It's meat.
It's meat.
It's meat.
It's pork meat.
Pork
How
meat.
we cook it? It's saucisson.
Saucisson.
Les chaussettes de l'archiduchesse sont-elles sèches, archi sèches?
I'm dead.
It's hard.
I'm dead.
This is
It's hard for a French
for
to
us.
say it.
Yes. It's hard for us.
to say it.
For you, I think it's really
In French, it's hard for French to say it.
If it's hard for French to say, how can I say it, man?
Okay,
It's not-
let's try. Les chaussettes.
What?
Les.
Chaussettes.
Attends. Les.
Les.
Chaussettes.
Sure. Say.
Les chaussettes.
Les chaussettes.
It's okay.
So, okay.
Okay.
I have just got one word, okay? And you have
Okay.
to say it, okay?
Okay.
This is in Hindi, okay? Not in Bhojpuri. Kim Kartavya Vimur.
Kim Kutuk.
Actually, it's a tongue twister, okay? It's just like a it's just like a French one. It's tongue twister, okay? And it's very difficult to watch. Not very difficult, but it's difficult one. Even when we tried in our childhood, we were not able to speak it very properly. But now we Kim Kartavya Vimur.
Kim Katavam.
C'est
Ça
le-
va bien, un peu milieu.
Ouais.
Kim Katavam Verou, un truc comme ça. J'essaie moi.
Yeah, slowly you will be able to speak. I know. Kim
Kim
Kartavya
Kartavya
Vimur.
Vimur. Kim Kataver Vimur.
Kim
Oh,
Kartavya
that's it.
Vimur.
Yeah, just say it like more fastly. Kim Kartavya Vimur.
Kim Kartavya Vimur. Okay,
Just
so
8.
8.
You said
Wait,
it.
Moi, oui.
What are you?
Non, T. Adiel, il y a le T. T. 8.
It's
You said 8. No, 8. It's not possible for you, I think.
Yeah, not possible for me. Okay, I have another Bhojpuri song. Okay, now it's my turn. Okay. Shisha chamkaveloo.
Si Chacha interview.
शीशा चमकावेलू
Shisha
Chacha Inkavelou.
छत के ऊपर से
Chauke Alberto. Une chanson d'amour, je sais pas quoi. C'est
Pierre
Chacha
et-
et Cavelou et ou Chacha et Baile.
Okay, anyways, your turn. शीशा चमकावेलू
She. Okay, just try.
शीशा चमकावेलू
She. Chacha Mukabelu.
In.
ओह
Oh.
that's okay.
Easy.
छत के ऊपर से
Chauke.
छत छत
Chat. Okay.
ऊपर से
ऊपर से.
प्यार जब करे की बात
Pierre.
प्यार जब
Jab.
करे के बाद
Ke.
बा
Ba.
तो बहरी आजा घर से
Bari a jagger.